In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Apps Script from a Google form and navigate the editor. We'll start right inside your Google form. Open the form where you want to add automation. This could be anything from a simple survey to a registration form. Having the form open is important because we're going to launch the scripting tools directly from here, so they're automatically connected to this form. Look to the top bar on the upper right and click the three dots, also known as More Options. This menu holds some powerful tools that aren't immediately obvious. From this menu, choose Apps Script. Selecting this opens the scripting environment that lets you automate tasks, validate responses, send custom emails, and much more, all tied to your specific form. A new tab will open with the Apps Script editor. Let's get oriented so you know exactly what you're looking at and what each part does. In the top left, you'll see the Apps Script logo and platform name. Right beside it is the title of your project, which may say Untitled Project. Click that to give your project a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. If you make edits and haven't saved them yet, an unsaved changes notice will appear, reminding you to save. Across the top center is the action bar. Here you'll find the save icon to commit your changes, along with undo and redo to quickly revert or reapply edits. The run button lets you execute your script, and the debug button helps you troubleshoot step by step. There's also a drop-down that might say no functions. Use this to pick which function to run when you click Run. The execution log is available so you can view logs and outputs as your code runs, which is invaluable for testing. On the upper right, you'll see the blue Deploy button for publishing your script, a help icon that opens documentation if you need guidance, and the Google Apps grid for quick navigation. On the left side panel, you'll notice a file named Code.gs. This is your main code file. You can add more files, attach libraries, or connect Google services using the Add File, Add Library, and Add Service icons when your project grows. Farther left, a vertical sidebar gives you quick access to Overview, Editor, Triggers, Executions, and Settings, making it easy to manage automation and review activity. Finally, the main editor area is where you write your code. You'll see line numbers on the left and a clean space to type in the center. This is where your automation comes to life.